is Sheza.
What is this, Mama?
It's a chocolate or some dragon.
Okay. Oh, it's a big dragon.
Yes, we have to catch this dragon.
Okay. Then let's open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, can you tell me?
Okay, sure, Baba.
Okay, thank you. Now let's open it. Ta-da!
Oh.
Wow. Ooh, what is it? This is Mom.
It's a chocolate. Chocolate with peanut.
Peanut.
Mmm.
But can I eat?
Yeah, you can. Let me open it.
Oh, look, there's a Lego. Oh, that's a spoon. Yes, look, there's a spoon.
Oh, there is lots of Lego.
Let's. Oh, wow. These are one of two.
Let's eat it first.
Yes.
Okay.
Chocolate in it.
Yeah.
I have to open with the spoon.
Okay.
Peanut. Look. How can we eat?
Yeah.
How can we eat, Mom?
With a spoon.
How can we eat the chocolate with spoon? Mommy,
Yes.
how can we eat this? Can you show me?
Yeah. Just like this. This is yummy chocolate.
Then what does this we do?
Mmm. You can eat like this. Mmm.
Mmm.
Say yummy.
Yummy. Also, we can eat chocolate with the peanut.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yes.